Good morning, folks. So we're off on a wonderful holiday, and right now my driver is Sonia Bhattachanchi. She's driving, and so we have the navigation system here, which is telling us we should reach at about quarter to 7. But with the breaks and lunch break and etc., I think we'll be a little bit longer than that. So that's where the time is. And this is good old Kolkata. I'll show you the car much later on as we go along, because this is the new car we got, and we haven't used this ever for a long any kind of long journey. So yeah, it is quite good, very comfortable. It's if you guys can guess, until I show you, it's classed as the most luxurious SUV available in India, a fully CBU unit, which means that it has been fully imported, and it is sold. It's manufactured outside of India, and it's sold as a full unit here. We've had a few extras added on, which I'll show you later on, or you can guess it as we go along. This is Eastern Metropolitan Bypass of Kolkata. All those yellow buses are school buses. I don't know why they are out so early, but chalo, it's okay. Kids must be going to school as well at some point.
1.2 kilometers, keep right.
So along with my conversation, you can also hear the conversation of coming out the directions from our navigation system. And you might get some music later on, which hopefully will not be copyright infringements.